Have you been charged with a crime in Nashville, Tennessee? And when I say charged, I'm talking about, have you been arrested, actually physically taken into custody or cited? If so, and you're wondering when your court date, time, or courtroom is, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you how to find that information online. Whether you have an attorney already or not, this information will help you make sure you show up for court on time, on the right day, so you can avoid getting a new charge of FTA, failure to appear. I'm Attorney Brian Lee Nash with 615 Nash Law, and here is how you find that information. Go to Google, type in Nashville CCC, and it's going to show up on the search, nashville.gov, right there, criminal court clerk. Type that. You're going to see Mr. Howard Gentry here, his picture, criminal court clerk. And then just to the right here in the blue, search case information. Again, this is if you've been arrested or cited, often used interchangeably, in Nashville, Tennessee, and you want to keep track on your own of your court dates. So you don't have to rely on family members or friends or the bond company or the attorney that you might already have, your public defender, appointed attorney, or private attorney. So then you type in your name. Let's just use John Smith, very common name. And we'll just find one here, John Smith. Just randomly, I don't represent this person. I just use an example. All right, so there's a lot of cases here. So let's just pick one. This one is closed, but it should have a lot of the information that we're looking for here. John Smith, confirmed the birth date. That's yours. The charge, driving a suspended license. He was found guilty of it in 2001. Well, you can go to the criminal history here, and this will show you the rest of the information. Maybe your history isn't as long as this, but right here, just for this case, for example, if you look at this one, case details, John Smith, he was found guilty, but yours would not have that information there yet. What yours will have is your appearance details. This is what we're looking for. You have your court date, the judge, the courtroom, attorney, and review. It often say first appearance or arraignment, discussion date or trial, whether you're in general sessions or criminal. That's a whole other conversation, but it'll be here regardless. And oftentimes it'll have the time. If not, you have to double check with your attorney or the clerk on that. But that's where you get the information. And just so you know, the clerk's phone number is 615-862-5601 in case you want to call and double check that. But that's how you find your court date, time, and courtroom if you're facing criminal charges in Nashville, Tennessee. Again, I'm Attorney Brian Lee Nash with 615 Nash Law. If you want a free strategy session, give us a call at 615 Nash Law, 615-627-4529. We'll help you figure out where you are in the process. If you don't know, we'll tell you the process. We love educating. Just like this video, we'll go in more depth on your options in court. And of course, we'll tell you how much we charge for these services with your specific facts, your specific charges, the specific facts, and also your criminal history and other things that we take into consideration when pricing. We always say hire the best attorney you can afford. It's an investment in your freedom and in your future. We fight for three things. The first is to limit jail. The second is limit damage to your record. And the third is to help you get your life back on track. Attorney Brian Lee Nash, 615 Nash Law. Give us a call.